Thankfully, the remnants of Florence have now pushed out to sea, and things are going to be drying out at least for a couple of days here. But we do still have that lingering flood threat, unfortunately, with all the rain that we had, and some severe weather concerns do show up here on Friday. Yesterday was pretty warm again. We made it into the 70s and 80s, even with the clouds and the showers that were in place. Temperatures running anywhere from 5 to 10 degrees above average. Burlington, though, 16 degrees above average. And then we had some decent rain. Boston down to New York, an inch plus. Philly, D.C. about a quarter of an inch. So again, kind of a narrow corridor of heavier rainfall associated with that. But the flood threat does linger in a few locations, especially as you get down near the mid-Atlantic states. And you can imagine with all the rain, 2 to 3 feet of it in North and South Carolina, flood concerns will remain quite elevated there. So later this week, we're going to start to see more rain move on in. But until then, today and tomorrow should be fairly dry. On Friday, we do have a severe threat. As you can see here, a slight risk from Ohio all the way up to Maine. And this is going to be coming in with a front, which will be setting up here over the Midwest over the next 2 days. And that is going to be bringing and triggering widespread showers and storms within those areas. So nice to see that things are drier here for now. Again, today and tomorrow overall pretty dry. But once we head into Friday, that's when that shower and thunderstorm activity would be rolling in with some severe weather. And again, maybe some pockets of locally heavy rain. Today, much cooler to the north, Caribou, but still into the 80s and above average as you head down a little bit farther south from New York to D.C.